Namaste, this is Deeksha once again. So today we're gonna discuss about the back pain. So nowadays backache is a very common problem in between youngsters. Earlier we used to heard okay ladies are suffering from this problem, but nowadays even youngsters are also suffering from the same problem. It could be multiple reasons, because we are doing 8 to 10 hour shift, we are sitting in front of laptop and not doing any physical movement. Because of that we are suffering from that pain. So today I'm going to I'm going to tell you about the few steps which you can perform in your daily routine life, and it has tremendous benefits, trust me. So the first asana which I'm going to tell you, Setu Bandha Asana. And Setu Bandha Asana, it has tremendous benefit. It has a lot of benefits. It will help you out with your hair fall, it will help you out with your anxiety, depression, insomnia. It will help you out with your abdominal disease, if you have digestion problem, if you have any urine infection or urinary issues, it will help you out with that. It will help you out with your diabetes, thyroid. So it has a lot of benefits. Today I'm going to tell you how to do this asana. So go back to Shavasana, and then gradually one by one you have to bend your knees. While you are bending your knees, you make sure that your hands touching your ankle. But if you're not hold this ankle or this part, then you can do one thing, you can just try to touch it, because a lot of people not even to hold it. So just try to touch it, and while we are inhaling we have to go up, and in exhalation we have to come down. So I'll show you how to do that. Inhale, go up completely. Exhale, go down. Inhale, go up. Exhale, go down. Inhale, exhale, go down. So this is the first step which you can do it in your back pain, and I'll show you the another step also, and this is Ushta Asana. So you have to come back, and you have to come back in the Vajrasana, and after that stand up on your knees and try to touch your hand. 1 and 2. So we have to hold it here, come back. So this asana also not everybody can perform. So you can also do the Ardha Chakra Asana. So Ardha Chakra Asana, it has a lot of variations. So you can do it in your sitting posture, or else you can do it in the standing posture also. So we just need to push the pelvis area, and so while inhaling we have to go up, and in the exhalation we have to come down. You can also perform it when you are doing, we have to stand up on your knees, and then also you can perform it and you have to push your pelvis area. Inhale and then exhale. This is the Ushta Asana which you can perform it, and lot of ladies who's having the flexibility issue, they can't even perform this asana. So for those people also I have few steps which you can perform it in your daily life, and it has a lot of benefits. So what you have to do, you just need to lie down and take the support from your palms, and we have to do knee bending and try to touch your ankle to your hips. So we can do that from your both legs. If you are unable to do from your both legs, then you can do it one by one, 1 2 3 4, like that also you can perform. But first try to do it from your both legs together. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. So this is number third step. Which you can perform it, and I believe this step everybody can perform it. Before sleep also you can do that, early morning you can do that, anytime, whenever you are getting time, just do that. And one more step I'm going to show you. So lie down in the Savasana, bend your knees and try to touch your knees with your fingers. Okay, 1 2. So it has a lot of benefits. It'll give you the complete flexibility. It will give you the complete stretch to your whole spinal cord, and it will enhance your flexibility also. 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. So these all are the steps which can help you out in your back pain. And apart from that, I have also told you in my last video, I have shown you about the cat and camel posture. So cat and camel posture is also a back, it'll also give you the relaxation in your back pain. So for today I have to discuss only this much. In my next video I'll come up with a different topic. If you're liking my video, please like and subscribe and comment. Thank you so much. Thanks.